Disclaimer: for entertainment purposes only, no bashing, spread love and kindness. Guys, ito ang sahog ng lulutuin kong chapsoy. Hipon, pusit na slice na po, cauliflower, carrot, mushroom, baby corn, garlic and onion. First, saute the onion, then the garlic. First, put the carrot, then baby corn, bell pepper, cauliflower, and the mushroom, then saute.
Transparent o yung crystal?
Crystal. Then add the shrimp and the squid. Then saute. Ito na po, luto na siya. Half cook lang para crunchy. This is the finished product. Luto na siya. This is my plating to chapsoy that I cook. Look. Next, our second menu is patatim. First, we put the laurel, banana flour, star anise, paminta. Next, the pineapple chunks. Nilagay na yung pork leg. Put the banana. We call it saba. Family of other banana. Bago po nilagay sa kawali, pinalambot muna siya ng 3 oras. The green veggies is bok choy. Bok choy. And this is pork leg. Ang salmon with miso. Salmon belly. Ingredients: veggies, labanos, mustasa, and sili. Yan po, nilagay na yung mga gulay. Pakulaan ng sandali lang. Tapos timplahan ng asin at paminta. Salmon belly, sinigang sa mustasa with miso. This is our lunch for today, cooked by my son Ryan. Looks delicious. Hello guys, if you enjoy this video, like and please hit the subscribe button to get notified for more content like this. Thank you.